Are you getting?
Yes, sir, I'm getting.
Okay, okay. So we are done with the form development, but we are doing the form personalization. So let me doing some Zoom functionality. Zoom functionality is thing when we have to call one form from another form. So inside this form, we have to call that another form. I think we have already seen that functionality, but we need to pass some parameter, some value as well to the other form, so it will query automatically.
Okay.
Okay, so we can check this one right now. So this will,
Recording in progress.
so we need to do both the personalization. Okay, so here we need to that Zoom functionality. Zoom functionality is like to open form from another form. Okay.
Okay.
So, so firstly, we need to create a menu. Like we can call from this from here. Create a menu. So it will be on the new form instance. So I will also tell you what are the new form. We can do each personalization on each triggering event as well. These triggering event as well. Okay.
Okay.
So firstly, uh, on the new form instance, we have to create a menu. So this is a menu type. Here I need to check in the special one. These are for the menu.
Okay.
So let me give some menu like join, master, detail, form. Okay, save it. Now go to the other one. And like we need to pass some value now, so we need to check whether the value should not be null. So check nulls for the value. Okay. So
Okay.
here it would be a trigger on special one. You have to take the special one, the first one. So here select it. We can get this name. This what we can check the name of this column. So in the example, we can get xxemp dot department. So it should not be null when we click on the that zoom functionality. Okay, this
Okay.
should not be null. Otherwise, it will not take any value at a time. So let me 6. Basically, is we can reference any column in the form by having a column and the block name then the column name. So we can reference any from anywhere. We can reference this column with the help of the column, then block name, then the column name.
So here block
here
name is
XXEMP.
okay. XXEMP.
Column name
DAPT. No, ठीक. Okay.
it's a dot. You can
Okay.
say it is a dot.
Okay.
If it is null, then it should be we can expect some message like department number cannot be null. Department cannot be null. Okay. This is done. Then we can have another number. Open the Zoom form. So open the master form. This is the third step. Sora. Sora. So this would be on the special. Then we can here we can take two things. First, we can have some global variable. So it is a variable, global variable. We can enable. So we can take some DPT. So let's go to bifurcate. So we can take some different value. Okay, DPT and UM.
Okay.
So the value would be the same, like equals to colon xx emp dot dpt number. So it will this global variable name dpt num will have this value, whatever the value is in that department number column. Okay,
Okay.
let's save it. We have done in that in the first form. Close it. Here the zoom to master data form. Here the department number is null, so if the null, then it will pop up some message. Message us. Department number cannot be null. Okay.
Okay.
So that's why it is given. So let's try with have some number. So let me do it. Okay. So basically we have not referenced that. We have to reference form as well. Okay. It is a built-in also. So here we have launch a function because the form is also there is a function on the form as well. No? So we can select from the all forms. So our name is start with the xx. Xx start with the xx and mst, I think. So yeah, this is our custom master function. So let me take it, copy it, save it, close it, check. We have to check again whether it is referencing. Yeah, it is open this one. Okay.
Okay.
So till here we have done that day as well. Now we have to open this custom form, custom master data form. Now what we have to do, whatever we have assigned the value in the global variable, now we need to put that global variable value into that from block and into the department number and want to query that form. Okay, so we want to use that global variable. So here, to firstly initialize the global variable value. I will tell you what is this. Basically, we need to initialize some initial value of the global variable.
Okay.
Once the form open, we need to initialize some value. So because without initialize, it will not take that provide us any. So this is the initialization. So this is would be the global variable. So our global variable name is dpt num. So that was initial value would be null. We have set the initial value null.
Okay.
Now we need to go to the block. We do not know where is the cursor, so we want to go to this department number. Cursor should go to this department number, then it will query the form, and then we will put that value and execute the query. Okay.
Okay.
So this is how we are manually. We have to do it automatically. So we need to go to block. So this is the thing. Then new functions, and I'm giving the condition like the global dptnum is not null. Okay. So it should not be null. Then it will go to that block. If it is null, then it will not go to that block. Giving the condition one, then we can check that property. We need to go to the built-in function, to key. Uh, Go block. Go block, I think, is a cell block of built-in driver. So we need to go to block. Firstly, this block. This is the block. The block is department block. Because the above one is department and the below one is the employee block. We already did created this one. So save it. On the second one, we need to also do the built-in and this time we need to do key and we need to enter in the query mode. Okay.
Okay.
This is going to help us to go to the query mode. And that's it. We done this in the run. Third one is we need to execute the query. To execute the query, and this would be when new record is. Because there is a new record is we need to create. So this would be department block. Is not enough. And here what we do, firstly we need to get the department number block, department number, the value would be the same as global one, global dot tptnum. So we have provided it. Now we need to execute the query, which is in the built-in. Query, same as, and also we need to null the value of global variable because we have done it. So we need to remove the link, null the value of the global variable because we have done our thing, our process. So we need to null it. So otherwise, it will not interfere in other place. Let's check whether it is working or not. Transform. Okay. It is.
So in Oracle Fusion also the same personalization like that.
Oracle Fusion?
Yeah.
No, Fusion is very different.
Very different.
In the Fusion there is a sandbox kind of thing from where we can have to perform the personalization.
Okay.
It's not working. Let me check.
And other technical thing, what is different between Fusion and EBS?
Basically, Sabir, in the Fusion, Oracle not providing us much flexibility to interfere with their product.
Oh,
It is a SaaS based product, and they do not want to interfere with their functionality. And if we can compare the what is the personalization can do in the EBS and what the personalization do in the Fusion, it's only 0.1 to 1% only. You can
oh,
do that and achieve that thing in the Fusion if you compare to the.
EBS.
So because EBS, we can do everything with the personalization. Whatever like, we can set the query, we can make things enable, disable, we can execute the procedures package as well.
No, no.
We can do anything. We can also insert the table data into the table as well with the help of the personalization. We can means many things we can do with the help of the
But
personalization.
but
And
EBS
yeah,
no more now. No? No, maybe in 2, 4, 5 years it will be all company will go in Fusion or either cloud or something like that.
basically the thing is, Sabir,
Yeah.
Then is not a very successful product right now. Till now, I can say.
Fusion.
There's a lot of restrictions, and the other drawback of the Fusion is there's the instance speed. The instance speed is also is not very good because you need to have that uh, every time the internet connectivity is very good. It should be very good to connect with the instance, SaaS instance. And in a week, 1 or 2 days, there would be a time where the instance getting slow.
Oh.
At that time, user cannot do anything. They have to deal with that slow instance.
Oh.
So, and every for everything we need to raise SR. Whether you need to like as a in the industry in the organization, if you are subscribing to the Fusion, if you want to clone, na, you want some clone for the test instance or the development instance, then
Yeah.
in that case you need to say raise a SR as well. So
Oh.
I need to tell you that thing. In anything, whatever the issue you are facing or anything you want to into the DB related to the servers, you need to raise SR.
Oh.
So as you like to get the solution, and the SR is not very much. They are good, but some critical things are there. Like in the manufacturing industry, I can give you the example. In the manufacturing industry, if the truck is there to shipping the things, to
Yes.
shipping the product out of your industry, out of your organization, out of your inventory, then
Mm.
in that case, if some functionality is not working, so that lot order
Oh.
management, the cycle is not complete, and we are not able to provide that slip to the truck person,
Mm.
the vehicle person. Then if we stuck, then we can do something in the EBS, like we can do or make that thing happen. But at that critical things, I'm giving just example. At
Yeah.
that critical time, we need to raise the SR, and we need to wait until that issue is resolved or resolved by the SR person.
Mm.
So
Oh. Yes. Yes.
industry is not adapting where there is some critical task. Many industries business is different, so they can adapt because they do not have that priority ones every time.
Yes.
So those company are manufacturing ones are not adapting this product.
Mm.
So they are going from not adapting from EBS to Fusion. They are searching to another product as well, to another companies, another vendors.
Mm. So
But
who already went on who in Oracle Fusion? They are suffering means so many. They are.
Oracle is also suffering, and that's why they have come with a two product.
Oh.
like for the integration, because before what happened, they are providing us some app composer and the sandbox thing to do the personalization and to the connect with other application as well. And they only provide us the soap UIs, REST APIs to
Mm.
connect the data or take the data from the Fusion instance.
Mm.
But now they are coming with the OIC.
Mm.
It was very not old product as well, but they are improving it day by day. So OIC is Oracle Integration Cloud. So this is used to integration things like integrate from other product, other software outside the Oracle as well. So we can able to achieve that integration very easily with the help of the OIC. And
Mm.
in the form parts, before they are using the ADF forms in the Fusion, like in the OF in the EBS, na? So they have replaced with the ADF and the forms are creating in the ADF technologies in the Fusion. But later it is very hard to uh, customize or editing or the form doing the personalization is very hard in the Fusion till that time. Then after that they are coming with a visual builder. So currently, every form they are creating new form creating by the Oracle is on the visual builder.
Mm.
So it's very easy to edit form with the help of visual builder, because in that case you need to just go to the form, working form, and go to the icon, the profile icon in the right top side. You need to go and click on the edit page on.
Mm.
Then it will go into the visual builder and you can easily remove, change the position, make anything mandatory or non-mandatory. You can hide, you can do the conditional uh, things as well. You can do hide the column on conditions,
Mm.
or visible the on condition. So they are making it very easily, very easy with the help of the visual builder, because they also know they have not deal with the ATF lifetime. So
Mm.
that's why they are coming with the different technologies.
Mm.
So the thing is, they are improving day by day,
Yeah.
and no product is any vendor EBS product, no product is stable. So yes, but the many industries are adapting the Fusion, and many industry want to be on the EBS as only, because they have in the EBS we have a lot of exposure to
Mm.
do according to, and a lot of customization, lot of personalization we can do according to our business. So
Mm.
it is very good product by the Oracle, but they want to upgrade things into the something new. That's why they are coming with the
Mm.
Fusion, because Fusion is very old technology, but it is taking speed, like getting speed in the 3 4 years only. Because
Mm.
the Fusion is 2005 or I think 2004 product. They're working from on the Fusion from till then, with 20 years around. But in the 2011 they have the Fusion got failed. Then they are coming with again with some changes in the product.
Mm.
So yeah, the thing is, if we know the EBS on the ground level, on the root level, we know the things, we know how the technical things work. So the technical things is what in any product same, 95% is same, because the flows are same, everything is same. Only the things are maybe there would be they are using some other programming language. So in the other programming language there would be a uh, you know
Mm.
some data types are changed,
Mm.
but like
Okay.
in some program language we are saying it varchar, in other programming we are saying it string. So the naming thing will change. Otherwise, most of the functionality in any programming language is same. So if you know the technical at the root level, then you will able to adapt any product as a technical.
Okay.
Because if you know the EBS very well, then you do not much have difficulties to adopt Fusion as well,
Mm.
because you know how the things flow in the backend.
Mm. Yeah.
Mhm. So fusion is not a big technology. Like there is only hype of the fusion. But if you go to the fusion, then you should totally depend on the Oracle support.
Okay.
Because also and uh, many blogs or information is also not available on the internet. Like if you are stuck anywhere, nobody will
Yeah. In ABS, we can find everything on the internet.
yes, yes. Internet also, and we can have very good persons who are
Yeah.
having good knowledge in the user. So if you are going to in a known one as well, then maybe many person help you.
Yes.
So let me check. Mm,
Our company, they want to bring Udu.
Sorry,
Udu, they want to bring.
Uru is any software.
Yeah, Udu. U-D-O-O. Udu.
Okay,
Yeah.
from which vendor?
Mhm.
From which company?
This
Product
is
is from which company?
this is on Germany or France something. Udu
Okay.
ERP, but that one also not
Mhm.
new ERP.
Mhm.
Hello.
Hello.
Ah, yes. I thought it was some connection problem or what.
No, no, no. I just think.
Yes, yes.
No, I just think why this happening. We need to go to the cloud. Let me check. So our login is just on the app. Save it. Something is. Mm, I need to. To add some. This is the same as
Yeah.
we are doing a lexical parameter. The same thing. Mhm. We are missing. To check whether it is working or not. Maybe something, maybe there would be a error in our form because these are our, no? Maybe some problem with it. Okay, we can do other. Basically, the thing is, we need to do it like that. Like
Mm.
the thing is, firstly, we need to uh, create a menu
Yeah.
to another form and put this value in a global variable.
Mm.
Okay, and if we are putting the global variable, then we need to go to that another form to which we need to go. So at there we need to create, we need to initialize the global variable value to initial value to null,
Mm.
and then we can enter go to the block from where we need to place that value global variable and put that query into that block and execute the query. So in that case, it will able to run or execute that same the query with that r where our global variable value. So this is how we can do the other as well, like
Okay.
this. Like there is a trigger events. Like
Mm.
when we open that form, then when new form instance open,
Mm.
when new blog instance, then open na. So
Yeah.
then let me click on the another form because that have two forms na. So
Mm.
then we can check with the help of the message. Save this one. Then we can also enable disable these personalization if we want do not want bypass those personalization for a time being. We can disable these as well,
That's true.
and one from one place as well. If you want every personalization will disable for a moment
Mm.
or for your work. So then you can go to the diagnostic custom code and you can off.
Okay, okay.
Click on off. Then every personalization will get off for that time. And if your work will complete, then you can put it to normal. Then the personalization will enable
Okay.
all the personalization you have enabled at the time. So this is how this is. And this is so custom event. If you click on that, na, so it will
Yeah.
tell you what custom event will query. Like it is telling us, like in that block, in that form, this is
Yeah.
the form name,
Yeah.
block name, column name. This is when new record instance uh, trigger trigger
Trigger name.
is like fired at that time. After that, this instance fired.
Okay.
So when we are put it in the query mode, na, two
Yeah.
triggers are fired.
Okay.
So let me, and after we are getting queried, then this new record instance fired. This when new item instance fired. Okay. So these are the triggers. When new item instance, yeah, this one. So this is how we can know which trigger and at what level we need to do our coding.
Okay.
So this helps. So the another thing I want. Um, so I am just printing a message.
Okay.
Um, Farm level. Okay. So
Okay.
let me close it. And once we close the form, na,
Yeah.
once we close, so every personalization is when once we open it. So whatever the personalization in the form is active.
Okay.
Check here, new form level trigger. Once we click the form function, before opening that form, the trigger is fired.
Okay.
With the help of this, we can also can understand at what instance what trigger is fired. So now we can use the new block instance. Okay. So we provide one message. So block level trigger file. So let me close it. Let me close it. Now we have run it. So first new form level triggered. Okay.
Yeah.
After that, when it is going into some block, na, some cursor on the block or a column, then block level trigger fired. And now this block is different. This block is different. When I click on this block as well, na, other and once again that block level trigger will fire. Let's click it. No. Why? It is fired at one time only. When new. Okay, got it. This is fired at only. Oh. We have provided on the new form instance. We need to provide a new block. We have not changed. If we provide this block name, then it will fire only on dot block. But we want. Yeah, just saying.
Recording in progress.
Okay, so we need to. We are providing a new block here. Then we can check how the new form level trigger fired after the block level trigger fired. Okay. Now click on this. Check here. Block level trigger fired again. We are going to this block again. then block level trigger also fired again. So there's a new block instance for it. So that's why it is fired each time. So let me check another one. If I provide some block name, na, so it will not fire to other block. Let me give the department employee block only. So I'm giving employee block only. So let me close it. Block level trigger fired again.
Okay.
So click on this, the new form level trigger. I have put the condition for the employee, not department. The cursor in a department, that's why it's not fired. So let me click on the employee. Yeah, check it. Block level trigger fired. When we go into department, nothing will happen because we have restricted it to fire to check the condition runtime for the employee block only. When we click on the employee again, then it will fire again.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
How it is like this. Another's, let me disable this. Otherwise, what are the other one? When new record instance. New record.
So like that, I can create a AP form what Oracle has created. Same I can duplicate here also.
Yes, you can.
I will
But
try. Yeah.
but the thing is, there are a lot of functionalities in the AP form.
Yes.
You can create that form like visuals, but if you open that form, na,
Yeah.
you can have a lot of code inside that form.
Yeah.
So maybe you cannot replicate the logic of
Yeah.
AP form,
Yes.
but you can make a AP form like similar to that AP form. You can create your custom form
Yeah.
in the
Custom
visual.
form, not much more field. Maybe header level only 20 field and
Yeah.
like that.
Yes. You can create. You can create. So when new record instance, another trigger is there. So I want the trigger to fire, and it is mandatory. Like I have to provide some while new record instance, I need to provide block name as well. So let me check it how it fires the flow. So once I get new record, na, new block. I think I have chosen wrong. Oh, I have not provided anything in the actions. So that's why I'm not getting anything. I thought why it is not showing. Record level. So check how at what level this trigger fired. It is fired at this level. At the same time,
Yeah.
when a new record is creating. So let me open. When I get the record value, na, it is also getting triggered. So if I switch to another value, it is triggered once more because it is a record level. Every record it will trigger
Yeah.
on every record. Okay, this is how this trigger works. Like this is totally depend on our record. At what level we need trigger. At what level we need to have some personalization. So this is totally depend on requirement. When new item instance. I need to provide the item value, like column value. Like a department number, it will fire. Let me give message. So item instance. Okay. So let me check at what level it's fired. Close it. Check I have put it on the department number. Once I click on that item, na, it is
Yes.
triggered. The item is fired.
No.
Again, it is fired because I have to put I have put it that name and it is mandatory. Otherwise, if they are not provided, so in every column it will trigger. Otherwise, at every column we are clicking, it will trigger.
Okay.
So maybe that requirement is not come like this. Like we need to do anything, everything. Like do the thing on click on every column. So this is like once it enter into that column, it will trigger. And the another one is validate trigger. Validate triggers. When validate record. When validate record, we need to provide that like block name. Okay. And also we can provide the condition as well. So like this trigger is fired when this trigger event that this condition is fulfilled only. Okay. So, let me check how it is fired. The validate one. Validate trigger. Okay. Just load it. Let me see. Let me see. Wait. I think I need to make it on I will change some of the power and the let me change the higher date. Hai? So validate trigger is on the save. When we are doing some save, na?
Yeah.
Validate trigger are not available. This trigger is not maybe not trigger. The menu, there is a special trigger as well. We have already done. There is a menu one. I need to check.
Okay.
This, menu one. Let me take it. Let me take it and check what is this. Let me take some menu. Okay. So, first. Okay. Menu is also also providing a menu. But what is the difference between menu and special? Let me check. So your report issues are there, or you have resolved by yourself?
Actually, these 2 days I was busy in month-end closing, so
Okay.
report is still pending tomorrow.
What
Hmm.
issues are you facing? You
Usual
need to
same thing. I have to pass parameter, lexical parameter, but I did not did like that one still.
which parameter?
Lexical parameter we discussed that day, na?
Uh-huh.
So still I did not touch that one.
I think you told me like it is resolved. You told me that thing that day like
Resolved,
your
not I implemented means I understood means I can do like that. This I mean to say.
okay.
No,
So you have not touched it yet.
no, during month end I was very busy.
Okay, okay.
So may I
I
will
need
try
to check.
tomorrow. Actually, they want tomorrow. I will see.
I need to check what is the difference between menu and the special product.
Ye- Yes.
Because
Yeah.
the special menu is also being we are getting achieve our things we are want to do.
So what you said that parameter, what I'm thinking, I put lexical parameter in report and value
Hmm.
set I will make accordingly. So there will
Ah,
be two
yeah.
choice in value set. That's all. No need to put in there in
Mm-hmm. Which
report.
one? No, at report level, no. At the time, you can with the help of lexical parameter, you can put it in the query, whatever the query in the report data model, na. So you
Yeah,
can put the condition or lexical parameter with the help of lexical parameter. You can change
yeah. I'll put
your
in the
value.
key and then I will make value set accordingly. That
हाँ हाँ.
user will put two parameters
Yes,
there.
yes.
Yeah, this I'm thinking.
Yes.
Okay.
This is the right thing. You're thinking. This is the thing you need to.
Okay.
I'm not getting anything right now, but I will check. I will check and sure you will tell you what is
Okay.
the difference between
Okay.
this menu triggers,
Hmm.
and the special triggers. This- These menu 1 to 15 and the special are 1 to 45. So if anybody asking how many triggers are in the form personalization, so 15 menu
Hmm.
and 45 is special and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Five triggers are there. So 65 triggers are
Okay.
triggering event.
Okay.
So you already know the special one
Hmm.
and you know about these five. The only thing we need to know about these menus, what are those menus?
Okay. Okay.
So I will tell you tomorrow what are the difference between menu and the special. Otherwise, all we have to check
Okay.
individually. So we can check the property. This is the message we have already seen built in
Hmm.
to launch some SRS form function, execute a procedure, go to some item, execute. These are the things you can do with the help of the built-in function.
Yes.
There's a menu. We have checked it as well. Message property. I think we have covered all the property. With the help of the property, we can have object type, like, global variable we have set,
Hmm.
parameter, LOB. So these are the things we can do with the help of the function.
Okay.
So yes, you can do at your end as well. These
Yeah.
icon, or you can also check, open some form and check whether any you can if some predefined personalization are there. So what they are doing, you need to understand that thing as well.
Yeah. I hear so many personalization. Here,
You need to open it. You need to open it and check what that personalization is doing, and what was the requirement from the user at the time who did this personalization.
Yes.
So that will help you to get
Yeah.
because at some level you just check the, that person is doing that thing. So you can go to another firm to achieve that to achieve that thing by your
Yes.
end, by yourself on that another firm as well. So
Yes.
that
Yes.
will help you to get
Understand.
some
Yes.
real time examples, and you will and you single handedly want to do that thing on the another firm.
Yes.
So this is the approach you can take to do the practice of the firm personalization.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay.
So, any concern? Sorry for the 2 3 days. Yesterday my laptop because they have pushed some. This is my organization laptop, na. So they
Yeah.
have pushed some updates on the back end, due to which some registry settings are affected. Due
Oh.
to which any Zoom like Zoom, Microsoft Team, which is
Yeah.
taking video and like mic sound, na.
Yeah.
All are not able to like working.
Okay. Okay.
So that technician, I have given it that
Mm.
system on the remote, and that person mailed me on 9:30. Like the issue is resolved.
Yes. Yes. It's okay. I
So
know them because I'm not like a
uh,
student. I have so many works. If I use my time. Other
great, great, done.
it's good.
So I think we are done with this. If anything left in the personalization, then we will discuss it tomorrow,
Okay. Okay.
and we can check 2 or 3, or you can do or doing some testing at your end. And if you are getting some like some concern now, so we can discuss and do it on the live class.
Yes. Okay.
That will help. So
Okay.
you can also, Sabir, I want you to get some do the practice and take some concerns, like you are getting stuck at some place
Mm.
and you want help, and that thing
Yeah.
I want that kind of spark from you.
Yeah, this I want to do, but to concern something with job. Suppose in a day I am busy all the time, and
So in the night as well, you need to give yourself 1 hour time at least to do practice,
so
because
sometimes and other thing remaining time I am busy other things. Suppose 2 3 report still need to.
you need to
Done.
you sir, I'm just giving a advice to you as a
Yes,
brother.
yes,
Do
yes,
not do the official work in your free time, or in your personal time,
yes, yes. This is
because work will never complete.
yeah,
Whether you are in the company, whether you are not in the company, work will never complete, and work will also like, doing like this. ऐसे ही चलता रहेगा कभी भी कंपनी में काम.
yeah, yeah. Yes,
So you can give yourself as a time
yes, yes.
for a person.
I will check.
Sure. This is my personal advice.
Yes,
Whatever also in my professional career, I also was busy but there is some benefit, but mostly this is benefit to the company, not to us.
yeah, this is okay. But actually, this is my new job. So this is the thing.
That thing, not about it.
That is.
But I am giving you long term advice, not the short term.
Yeah, yeah,
This
yeah.
is long
It's
term.
good that you. uh, I approach you. You are experienced person.
Recording stopped.
Yeah, I can. You can maybe after this course, you can also ping me anytime. So
Yes.
I can also, because
My
there is
50%
a
very
small
gone.
community.
When I contact you, my 50% very gone. At least I can ask you.
Because I don't want you like everything you can take, you can come to take the like to uh, sorry. Everything you should not come to me for everything, like you're
Yes.
not able to solve.
Yeah.
So I want like you should be trained, or you should be have knowledge of that. I want you to provide some basic knowledge. So with the help of that basic knowledge, you can achieve or you can solve your query, your problem at your end only.
Yes, yes.
So that's my motive to like because in the starting I also told you to be to do practice regularly
Yeah, yeah.
if you want, because that helps me or helps you as well
Yes,
to solve your concerns.
yeah,
What are the problem you are facing at real time while doing the practice.
yes,
So it also increase my knowledge. Like I have to include this thing also, like in future if I'm giving some training to anybody.
yeah,
So I'm deliver the thing in the one place. So
yes,
I want. That's why the feedback is mandatory to have a peaceful or a great communication.
yes.
Okay.
Okay, thanks.
Okay then.
Thank you.
Happy with.
Okay,
Let's meet tomorrow. Okay.
okay.
Okay.